In this video I'm going to show you how we can just connect to any Wi-Fi without entering any password. So let's get started. So follow my all the steps in order to make it happen, otherwise this method will not work. So firstly, here you need to just go to the Wi-Fi setting, tap and hold on the Wi-Fi icon, and here you can see the Wi-Fi setting in the font. Now here you need to reload the Wi-Fi and you can find the Wi-Fi which you like to connect. So let me go with this first one. Here you need to just click on this advanced option. Here you can see advanced option. Now here you need to just click on this IP setting to static. Then here you need to type the IP address 192.168.2.33. Then here you need to scroll down a little bit and leave other field as it is. Now here you need to type the DNS2 2.2.2.2. Then here you need to scroll down a little bit and here you just use the proxy in order to make it happen, otherwise this method will not work. So here you need to just click on manual. Then here you need to just type the myproxy.meta.org. Then here you need to just type the port to 443, which is more secure than the other ports. Then here you need to type the localhost in order to bypass. After typing the localhost, here you need to just scroll down a little bit and here you need to just tap on connect, and after that it will connect you to the proxy and it will bypass the password of this Wi-Fi. So wait for it to just activate the connect button, and here you can see the connect button is successfully activated with this proxy. So you can see guys. So guys, first of all, make sure to subscribe my channel, and this proxy will work fine for your Wi-Fi or your IP address. Then here just click on connect and wait for it to connect. And here you can see guys, it's connecting, and boom, here you can see the Wi-Fi is successfully connected. So guys, this is the technique how you can just connect to Wi-Fi without a password. So guys, this is the method. So before you just proceed with this method, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So otherwise this method will not work for your IP address and you will not be able to connect to any Wi-Fi without the password. If this video helps, make sure to like, and if you are still new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe first before doing this. So I'll see you guys in the next video.